Does your engine make strange noise? Like this. Sudden stalling? Feel like your engine is missing a beat, hesitating, sputtering, or losing power? Before you blame your spark plugs, meet the real problem. Your fuel pump. This critical component works like a heart, pumping fuel through your car's veins. When it weakens, your entire vehicle suffers. But how do you know if your fuel pump is failing? Well, today we're revealing the 10 shocking symptoms you must watch out for. Plus, I'll show you how to diagnose your fuel pump. Simple steps even a 10-year-old can follow. Stick around because this could save your car and your wallet. Before we dive into warning signs and diagnose, let's master the basics, because understanding how your fuel pump actually works is the key to diagnosing problems like a pro. Think of your fuel pump as your engine's beating heart. This electric or mechanical marvel acts as a high-pressure fuel fire hose, blasting gasoline from your tank through filters and lines at 30-80 psi straight to those thirsty fuel injectors. The moment you turn your key, it springs to life with that familiar whirring sound, creating instant fuel pressure before your engine even cranks. No pump means no fuel means no go. It's that simple. And when this pressurized powerhouse weakens, your engine gets a starvation diet of fuel when it needs a full-course meal. From strange noise to complete breakdowns, these are the top 10 fuel pump failure signs. Watch until the end. You'll be shocked how easy it is to diagnose your fuel pump. 1. Power loss. Does your car struggle to accelerate or suddenly stall? That's a classic fuel pump failure. 2. Engine overheating. But coolant's fine. Lean fuel mix is cooking your engine. Imagine climbing a steep hill. Your engine demands more fuel to maintain power. A weak pump can't keep up, forcing your engine to work harder with less fuel. Result? Your temperature gauge creeps into the red even if your coolant system is perfect. That's not a radiator problem. It may be a sign of fuel emergency. 3. Engine sputtering at high speeds. Your pump can't keep up with demand. That jerking at highway speeds means your fuel pump is gasping. It can't deliver enough gas when your engine needs it most, like chugging a thick milkshake through a tiny straw. 4. Fuel gauge lying. Your fuel pump assembly combines the pump and fuel level sensor into one unit. When the pump starts failing, it can damage the sensor's wiring, causing electrical faults that disrupt signals to your gauge. Voltage fluctuations from the struggling pump may make your gauge behave erratically, while false readings can send your needle suddenly plummeting or bouncing between levels, even when your tank isn't empty. 5. Car won't start. Zero fuel pressure. No fuel reaches the injectors. No fuel flow. No ignition. A dead giveaway. 6. Sudden power loss. Feels like your car's being choked. Low fuel pressure. 7. Engine surging. That sudden, unexpected burst of speed isn't your car getting a second wind. It's a classic sign of a failing fuel pump. When the pump's internal regulator wears out, it can dump too much fuel into your engine, causing dangerous RPM spikes without you touching the gas pedal. Imagine your fuel system as a coffee maker. A good pump delivers a steady stream, but a failing one floods the basket when you least expect it. 8. Terrible gas mileage. A failing fuel pump could be stealing your fuel economy. When the pump weakens, your engine compensates by burning extra gas to maintain power, forcing you to hit the gas station way more often. It's like your car develops a drinking problem. 9. Hard starting. Long cranking. It's weak pump pressure. 10. Complete engine failure. The worst case scenario from running too lean. Can you drive with a bad fuel pump? No. It can leave you stuck on the highway or destroy your engine. Now, here's how to diagnose a bad fuel pump, step by step. Step 1. Check battery voltage. Weak voltage can mimic fuel pump failure. Use a multimeter. If voltage is less than 12 volt, charge the battery before testing further. Step 2. Inspect fuel pump fuse and relay. Locate the fuse box, then test the fuse with fuse test light. If fuse is good, now locate pump relay, then swap with matching relay. Then try starting your car. If it's start, then problem is solve. Easy fix. Step 3. Listen for the fuel pump prime. Key on, engine off. Had someone turn the key to on, don't start the engine. Open the gas cap and listen near the fuel tank. You should hear a 2 to 3 second whirring sound, like this. If there is no noise, it's likely a dead pump. Step 4. Test fuel pressure with a gauge. Connect a fuel pressure tester to the fuel rail. Check specifications for your vehicle. 30 to 50 psi. Turn the key on. Pressure should spike and hold steady. If it's a low or no pressure weak pump or dead pump, here's the truth about replacement costs. $100 to $400 for the pump. Labor, $200 to $600. Total, $300 to over $1,000 if you drive a luxury car. Pro tip, always replace the $20 fuel filter together, or you'll clog your brand new pump. Now you're a fuel pump expert. Drop a comment. Has your car shown any of these signs? Smash that like button if this saves you future headaches. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.